Hi, this is Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa pag-open account via online sa RCBC. So ituro ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba tayo mag-open account sa RCBC via online. So bakit ko napili na mag-open account sa RCBC? So share ko na lang din guys. Palagi kasi akong nag-withdraw sa 7-Eleven. So yun na po kasi yung na mas malapit na bangko dito sa amin. So nakita ko kasi dito sa machine ng 7-Eleven na free yung withdraw service ng RCBC. Kaya nag-decide ako na mag-open account sa RCBC. So disclaimer lang guys, hindi ko ini-endorse yung RCBC. So sinishare ko lang sa inyo to para magkaroon ka ng idea na pwede tayo mag-open account via online sa RCBC. Pwede rin natin kasi gamitin ito para dun sa ating SSS disbursement account, or di ka naman guys na problema kayo ng i-register na bank account sa ating payouts account sa ating Facebook page. So una, punta lang tayo sa ating browser, i-type natin rcbc.com. Then ito yung official dashboard ng RCBC. So dyan sa login, yan, click natin yan. Then personal online banking. Ayan, so close lang natin. Then sa bandang baba, don't have an account yet. So click natin yung sign up. Let's get started. Your access to RCBC wide range of digital banking services is just a few steps away. Meron dito guys yung open a new RCBC account, then enroll my account to RCBC Digital. So since tayo guys wala pa tayong account sa RCBC, so i-click natin tong get started dito sa open a new RCBC account. So click natin yan. Then ito yung mga kailangan nila. We accept any one of the following IDs. So Philippine Identification Card, then passport, Philippine UMID, driver's license, postal ID issued 2016 onwards, SSS ID, PRC ID. So ito guys yung maganda no maintaining balance required. Account verification after 1 banking days, complete banking experience online, choose your ads-on. Then para makapag-proceed tayo, click natin yung let's get started. And terms and conditions. So basahin natin to guys yung terms and condition nila para alam natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin. Then after that, click natin to I have read, then continue. Then client acknowledgement. So basahin din natin ito ulit. Then after natin mabasa, so click natin itong I have read and understood. So continue. And contact information. So ilagay natin yung active mobile number natin saka yung active email address natin. Then after that, click natin itong continue. Ayan, create your user ID. So yung gamitin natin na user ID guys, your user ID should contain the following. Must have at least 8 characters. So hindi siya bababa ng 8 characters. Must have no special characters or symbol. So wag natin haluan ng special character or symbol. Then after that, click natin yung continue. Create your password. Then ito yung guide natin para dun sa pag-create natin ng password. Follow these tips to make your password safe and secured. So kailangan guys kung ano yung user ID natin, so wag na natin gamitin dito sa pag-create ng password. Then check natin tong I'm not a robot. Then click natin yung continue. Enter one-time password. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo guys, kailangan nyo ilalagay natin na mobile number dun sa pinilipan natin is active. Kasi dun natin matatanggap yung OTP. And so eto na siya guys, yung OTP. Then click natin yung submit. Tell us more about you. Please complete your personal information below. Make sure it matches the details in your valid ID. So click natin tong currency. So pili natin yung peso. Enter natin yung full name natin dito guys, middle name, then last name. Kung walang middle name, i-click natin itong I don't have middle name. Then suffix, if applicable. Then gender, marital status, then nationality, country, residence. So kung nasa Philippines, so select natin Philippines. Date and place of birth, then birthplace. Then click natin yung continue. After natin mapilapan guys, click natin yung continue. So make sure na tama yung mga information na nalagay natin para hindi tayo magka-problem at magmamatch dun sa i-submit natin na valid ID. So click natin yung continue. So nandito na tayo sa address. So pilapan natin to guys, yung current address, village, province, town, city, then zip code. Then click natin yung continue. Ayan, FATCA and PEP declaration. Almost done. Then click natin yung continue. Ayan, employment. So occupation, industry, employer or business, work address. So kailangan makumpleto natin to. Then click natin yung continue. Click natin yung continue. And upgrade your RCBC account. We have add-ons fit your unique needs. No additional documents required. So select the add-ons. So dahil kailangan natin ng ATM card, so select natin yung My Debit ATM card. Then click natin yung continue. Tell us more about the purpose of this account. So i-select natin dito guys kung ano yung panggamitan natin. Tapos mayroon tayong fill upan dito. Please provide an estimate of your expected monthly deposit. Then continue. Choose your preferred branch. So dito guys, doon natin kukunin yung debit card na ini-request natin. So i-select natin kung saan area, kung saan branch natin siya i-pick up or kukunin. Then click natin yung continue. Select your preferred ID. I-select natin kung ano yung i-submit natin na valid ID. Then click natin yung continue. So i-scan natin guys yung ating valid ID na i-submit. Ayan guys, so since laptop yung gamit natin, so hindi natin makuhaan yung ating ID picture. So pwede natin lagyan dito sa ating cellphone para mas malinaw yung pagkuha natin ng valid ID. Ayan, so pwede natin i-download yung application nito, yung RCBC Digital Banking App. Then install. Open. So skip lang natin guys. Ayan, so ilagin natin yung ating account, yung ginawa natin kanina. Login. Ayan guys, so magsisend siya ng OTP sa ating mobile number. Then submit. So ayan guys, continue ya yung ating application. So select your preferred ID. So i-select natin dito. Then i-submit natin yung UMID ID o Unified Multipurpose ID. So i-select natin yan. Then continue. Ayan, so close lang natin. Ayan, so picturean natin yung ating valid ID. Ayan, so yung pagkuha natin ng picture, so paside guys, yung kakasya dun sa ID natin. Then click natin yung continue. Ayan, continue. Take a selfie. So reminder, make sure to take your selfie. Remove your glasses, cap, or any head accessories. Make sure no one else is included in the video. Then click natin yung submit. Ayun guys, welcome to RCBC. Let's get started now. So ilagay natin dito sa computer para mapakita ko sa inyo guys. So meron na tayong account sa RCBC. Login. Ayun guys, meron na tayong bank account sa RCBC. So ganun lang kadali kumuha ng bank account sa RCBC via online. So ito na yung bank account number natin. Ayan, so wait natin after 24 hours yung message o email ni RCBC. Ayun guys, meron tayong natanggap na email from RCBC. Thank you for opening an RCBC account online. While we're doing final verification on your new account and processing your availed add-ons, you can log into RCBC Digital to enjoy the following transaction. So ang maximum transfer pa lang natin guys, up to 10,000. Kasi hindi pa siya fully verified. Antayin daw natin within 24 hours or 1 day banking days. Then dito guys, kapag na fully verified na yung ating application para dun sa ating bank account, so zero maintaining balance. So ito yung maganda guys, no deposit limits, then interest rates, complete access to RCBC digital services such as depositing checks online. We will update your separate on the status of your avail add-ons. So makakatanggap tayo ulit ng bagong email para dun sa ating request na ATM debit card. So meron tayong natanggap kanina na isa pa email. So ito siya guys, Friday, August 25, 2023. Good day, this is to acknowledge receipt to your ATM debit card request. we will update you on the status of your request through email. So makatanggap tayo ulit ng another email after ma-fully verified ng bangko yung ating application. So makatanggap tayo kung kailan natin kukunin yung ating request na ATM debit card. So makukuha natin guys kung saan natin pinili dun sa sinelect natin kung saan branch ng RCBC. Ayun guys, ganun lang yung pag-open ng bank account dito sa RCBC via online. I hope na nakatulong yung video tutorial ko at sana nasundan niyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys na hindi nyo nasundan sa ating tutorial, pwede nyo i-comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit notification bell para ma-update ka dun sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat po and God bless. See you in the next video.